Hi, guys. I hope you had a nice night last night. Unfortunately, as you probably know by now, the governor has extended our school closing and distance learning format until the end of the school year. I am a little saddened and, I miss you guys and I wish that we could be in the classroom, but unfortunately, we got to play the cards that we're dealt, and we'll continue going through this together. I would just like to, commend all of you that you've had a lot of hard work to, put forth in the last 3 weeks. So I appreciate you working hard and putting in all the time that you have put in. So as we continue forward, we'll continue to take each day as it comes. Work hard at home, do your best, submit quality work. Ask me questions when you have them. Contact me. I'm around. I'm here for you. Okay. So let's take a look at what our Friday has in store for us today. It is April 24th. Today, check in this morning. Make sure and answer that question. For math today, also check the math course, targeted math. Also, check those targeted math courses. Reading today, you are going to complete a formative assessment called the Dangerous Day. You'll also, we should have at least 7 to 9 posts in our journal by now. Woods Runner, we're going to read chapter 7 today. I know some of you are going to be excited about that because chapter 6 was a little bit of a cliffhanger. Our Wonder Bubble, who is Samuel Adams, is due today. I know in talking with some of you in your individual meetings, you hadn't started that. So if you need to take the weekend to finish them up, let's get them finished up. Okay, finish them up, do that research on who he was, and then make your Wonder Bubble and submit that paragraph at the end. Social studies. We have a 1 to 1:30 WebEx meeting today, totally based on social studies, and we are going to be talking about just some of the events that we've read about and how big of an impact they made on the colonies. And also, we will talk a little bit about how relationships between British sympathizers and also the Patriots changed after all of these things started to happen. Science, there is no new learning. I would like you to continue to work on your phenology observation experiment, and that is in our Wednesday folder of this week. So if you have not gone through the directions on that, you should do that today. Next week, we will be having a science meeting or a science meetup that we will do on WebEx to discuss some of the things that we're finding and just some of the things that we're seeing outside and those changes that are happening because of spring. You're going to want to make sure that you pick something that you can observe and something that you can go back to day after day to see how they are changing when you are thinking about that observation and what you're going to be looking at. So make sure, spend some time today going through those directions. I know Miss Pickens created a screencast for you to watch just so that everybody was in the know. I always have my office hours from 10 to 11. Feel free to drop in, even if you just want to tell me about what you have planned for the weekend. I'm there, okay? I love talking to all of you. Individual student check-ins. I have Damien at 11:30 today, Mia at 11:40, Maddie at 11:50, Jake at noon, and Mustafa at 12:10. I will continue to keep this open from 12:20 to 12:40 just because I know I have some open times here. Um, if you need to drop in and talk to me, I will be in this room for um, until 12:40. As always, if there is anything that comes up, any issues, you don't understand something, you don't get the directions, you are frustrated with, the lesson, anything, please contact me. Please shoot me a Schoology message. Please email me. I'm around and I want to help. So please, please, please remember that. I hope that everybody has a nice day. And if I don't talk to you, I really hope you have an awesome weekend. And I hope the weather is beautiful so that we can all get outside. I will talk to you soon. Have a nice day and weekend. Bye.